Okay, here we are inside the 2016 Vibe 221 RBS. This is the dock station for your link pad where you can control your slides, awning, lights, and monitor your tanks, as well as the stabilizer jacks. We open it up, and here we have a little charger. Alright, here you go. You can manually control your water pumps, your lights, awning, and slide outs. We move over here, we see that we have storage by the door. Lots of storage there. And down here. There we go. And fuse panel right here. There we go. Okay, here we go. The door to the bathroom. Okay. There we go with the skylight. Here's the sink with very convenient power outlet. Medicine cabinet. Moving on out here to the living area. There goes your thermostat. Here's the dinette that will fold into a bed. It has the darker furniture on this model. And we have storage underneath here. Pots and pans or whatever. Storage here and here. There we go. Pretty good storage space throughout. Okay. Here we go to the kitchen area. Stainless steel appliances. There you go. 3-burner stovetop. Stainless steel fridge and freezer. There we go. Very good. Storage up top. Okay. Counter area with a cover for the sink. There we go. Storage. There we go. Alright, here we go. Entertainment center. Fit a nice sized TV there. Goes your receiver, AM, FM, CD, and auxiliary. Storage right here. Very good. And of course, you have surround sound. There goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, last but not least, here we have the master bedroom with the privacy slides. Here's the bed. There we go. Overhead compartment. And storage here on this side. And the back of the entertainment center. Alright, so there you have it. That's the inside of the Forest River Vibe 221 RBS.